Yo, coming in for a test stream. We got 1 minute till New York Open. Why am I dropping frames, bruh? This junk's annoying. I'm always just randomly dropping frames now, it seems like. Ooh, it's getting worse. Not really sure what's happening here, but it is getting worse. All right, here we are. Anyways, New York Open now, 9:30. As we can see, we're in a downtrend on the DXY and the dollar. Let me actually go to the 4-hour time frame. We're continuing to look what, to me, it doesn't really seem like we're going to be continuing up in this uptrend. If anything, this looks like a retracement from the previous downtrend that did itself again. So I just see the market, coming down and then doing these little smaller moves up before it continues back down. Okay, my apologies, I'm back. Yeah. So for me, what I'm looking at, let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Let's go intraday. We want to see if the S&P is going to continue this bearish sentiment that it started during the week. I'm going to bring the indicators back on now, right? Let's actually go to one chart, looking at one at a time. Obviously going back to S&P. Like I said, I'm obviously going with the trend from this weekly perspective, because if I were to go to like the 4-hour and daily, considering the start of this month, whereas this black line, we've been above, this black line, we've been bullish majority of the time of November. If I represent the blue being bearish here and the red, the blue being bullish and the red being bearish, this is pretty much the whole time we've had in the month of November. So we can see that we've spent majority of our time up above this blue box. And now that we're here, we're kind of just levitating in between holding. So when it comes to today's price action, I'm not really expecting much price to move anywhere, especially after it gave down and touched this purple 800 EMA yesterday during New York session. When it did that, when it came and made this low yesterday, it significantly dipped back down into some demand that was over here. So now I'm going to start getting to supply and demand, but nonetheless, it's been breached, or it's been tapped into. So now that not only has it been tapped into and it gave us our first reaction, right? Price came back down and it's now giving you its second reaction. But shout out to Scott Carney, Harmonic Patterns. What's the difference between a reversal and a reaction? I'm going to end the stream real quick to see what the quality is like, because I'm dropping hella